At KLM, we do projects of all sizes. So let me come show you this beautiful shower job that we recently completed. There was a leak in the tile was outdated, so we totally tore out the tile. She had a tile bench versus a one-piece bench, which helps prevent leaks. So what we did is we took the shower with this new beautiful Prima cream 12 by 24 tile. We used that beautiful accent mosaic tile from Virginia Tile, and we also used this Anatolia marmoline for the bench material. We also added this beautiful 78-inch shower door. It's treated with a rain guard coating that prevents water spots on the interior of the glass. We also added this beautiful Moen Versa Chrome 8-function 7-inch diameter spray head with a hand shower, something that a lot more customers are asking for. So no matter what size project you have, give us a call here at KLM. Maybe we can help you out.